Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to talk about how to change your Lendio login email. If you no longer use your old email or you want a more professional address linked to your business, you can update your login email in Lendio. Just follow these simple steps. First, log into your Lendio account using your current email and password. Next, navigate to the account settings section in your dashboard, and you want to look for the email or login information field. Click edit or update next to your registered email address, and now enter your new email address and confirm it by typing it yet again. Lendio will likely ask you to verify your password before saving changes. Once updated, Lendio will send a verification link to your new email address. Go ahead and open that email and click the verify button or link to finalize the changes. From now on, you're going to use your new email address to log in, so make sure to update any saved login credentials in your browser or password managers. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.